Welcome to this explainer on Kempton Park Carports. If you live anywhere on the East Rand, you already know the drill. Leaving a vehicle exposed to the sun and our infamous high-veld hailstorms is basically a fast track to massive depreciation and damage. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the solutions provided by Pronet Shadeports and Carports. We'll be unpacking everything from structural designs to roofing materials, so you can make a fully informed, bulletproof decision for your property.
Okay, let's jump right into this buyer's journey. We're going to cover choosing your vehicle shelter, finding the right size, conquering those tricky narrow driveways, weighing steel roofs against shade nets, and finally, getting down to pricing and guarantees.
Section 1. Choosing your vehicle shelter. This is all about defining the absolute foundation of your driveway protection.
So the very first trade-off you need to think about is complete solid roof immunity from that notorious high-volt hail versus maximum summer airflow. It's kind of like choosing between a giant umbrella and a shady tree. A solid steel carport topped with IBR or Chromadex sheeting literally sheds rain and hail completely. This is absolutely crucial if your car sits outside all day. But on the flip side, a shadeport uses a net that lets air flow freely underneath. That keeps your car significantly cooler during those blistering summer months, but, it doesn't stop the rain. Also keep in mind, Pronet backs their shadiness structures with an 8-year warranty, which is actually totally separate from the 3-year workmanship guarantee on their solid steel frames.
Moving on to Part 2, Finding the Right Size, where we navigate the physical footprint of your driveway. The real trick here is visualizing these dimensions in your actual space. For example, knowing a 3x6 meter single gives your sedan plenty of room to open both doors, while a massive 9x6 bay is basically a small parking lot. It easily covers 3 vehicles. Let's break this down for typical Kempton Park properties. Got a really tight stand? That compact 2.7 by 5.5 meter single is your best bet. But if you have a standard sedan or a bakkie, the 3x6 standard single is definitely the way to go for decent door clearance. Now, if you're over in Glen Moray or Norcom Park where dual parking bays are super common, the standard 6x6 meter double is actually the most requested size. It fits 2 vehicles side by side perfectly. Upgrading to SUVs or bakkies with canopies? You're going to want that spacious 6x7 double. And for those big stands around Rhodesfield and Bonero Park, well, the 9x6 meter triple is just an awesome way to shelter the whole family fleet.
Next up, Section 3, Conquering Narrow Driveways. Here we engineer solutions for those really tricky spatial constraints.
We really have to ask this logistical question, especially for older streets like Van Riebeeck Park and Turrener. What if a pole blocks your driveway? It's incredibly frustrating, right? You want protection, but a standard 4-post structure drops a steel pole smack in the middle of your turning circle. Or worse, completely blocks a second car from squeezing past.
Well, this is where the physics of the cantilever hack comes in, and it's a real game changer. It completely frees up your driveway width while still holding up a heavy-duty galvanized steel roof. By engineering a much heavier steel frame on just one side, the entire roof load is suspended. Literally no front or center poles in your way. It's the absolute perfect fix for narrow driveways or homes with automated sliding gates where you need that entrance kept 100% clear. You get all the strength of a standard carport, but with a totally unobstructed parking bay.
Part 4, Steel Roofs versus Shade Nets. Let's talk aesthetics, materials, and roofing finishes.
Let's compare the cost efficiency of plain silver IBR sheeting against the premium look of a coated Chromadex finish. Here's the thing you need to know. Both of these options use the exact same corrugated profile and galvanized steel base. Under the hood, their load rating and high hail resistance are totally identical. The choice really just boils down to your budget and the look you want. Plain IBR gives you that classic lower-cost silver finish, super popular in spots like Ester Park and Kempton Park West. Chromadex, on the other hand, takes that same galvanized base and adds a factory color coating, so the whole structure blends seamlessly with your home's exterior.
And if you do go with Chromadex, you get to choose from these vibrant standard factory colors. You've got options like Fish Eagle White, Aloe Green, Gemsbox Sand, Dark Dolphin, the whole shebang. It makes it incredibly easy to elevate a basic carport into a true architectural extension of your house to match your fascia and gutters. Whether you want to keep it neutral with Dove Gray or make it pop with Traffic Green, these finishes ensure your new structure doesn't just protect your car, it actually boosts your property's curb appeal.
Finally, we reach Part 5, Pricing and Guarantees. This is about securing your investment with trust and solid execution.
Now, when we look at pricing, it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all number. Final pricing is driven by size, roofing material, and structural design. For instance, a single carport with plain silver IBR is going to be your most budget-friendly option. Upgrading that exact same footprint to colored ChromaDeck, that's going to bump up the cost. And, as you might expect, switching from a standard 4-pole design to a cantilever setup requires a lot of extra heavy-duty steel to safely carry that roof load, which definitely shifts the final figure. This holds true whether you live in Aston Manor or Ettlene. The pricing tiers are completely standard across the board based on those 3 specific variables.
Pronet has been operating across Gauteng since way back in 1989, and they follow a really strict, highly structured onboarding process to lock everything in. Notice how it all starts. They will literally never quote a final installation date without doing a proper site survey first. They actually have to physically confirm your driveway access, check the ground conditions for sinking those galvanized steel posts, and verify the exact size you need. After that's done, the quote is confirmed and custom installation begins. These aren't just grabbed off a fixed-size shelf. They're manufactured specifically for your vehicle and your site. Plus, it's all backed by a 3-year workmanship guarantee covering the frame, the fixings, and the installation itself.
To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought on the true cost of an unprotected driveway. A vehicle is one of the biggest investments a household makes, right? So leaving it to the mercy of Kempton Park's scorching sun and those crazy seasonal hailstorms, it's a risk that literally bakes away its value every single day. Whether it's a simple shade net to cool the cabin or a heavy-duty cantilever steel structure to block out the hail, finding the right shelter is an absolutely vital step in protecting your assets. So, I have to ask, your vehicle braves the elements every day? Isn't it time you gave it a